Hello everyone, welcome back to the Planet V. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any future episode on the channel. Today, we are visiting the third oldest open-air museum in Europe, which is here in Latvia. It is situated inside an 87-hectare forest. It features different houses from all four regions of Latvia, which are Kurzeme, Vidzeme. Sorry. It features houses from all four regions of Latvia, which are Zemgale, Kurzeme, Vidzeme, and Latgale. We blocked 5 hours for this visit, but you don't need to stay for 5 hours because I'll try to compress everything in less than an hour. Let's go! This outdoor museum, tucked away in a pine forest, is situated by the Lake Jugla, a 30-minute drive from the city of Riga. The museum has gathered 118 historic structures from all throughout Latvia since it opened in 1924. The structures are arranged to offer visitors a sense of Latvia's rural setting. Here in the living house because it's drizzling outside. We are about to see more than 100 model houses. This is the fisherman's house, guys. And this here, oops, no. What is it? There. The roof reminds me of our house in Romblon, Philippines. This one is made of reed, I think. Ours was made of a grass, gogon grass. You might have noticed that this house, which is called the smoke house, doesn't have a chimney and it only has more or less 3 windows. The reason for that is to keep the heat inside the house during cold winters. This is part of the trunk of the oldest pine tree here in Latvia, which is around 300 plus years old. We just entered the area where you could find the houses from Kurzeme region. One of the main differences of the houses from Kurzeme region is the height of the roof. The houses from Kurzeme region have higher roofs. We are now inside the Latgale region. This one is a two-storied granary house from the village of Ludza. You may see here the farms of Latvian farmers, artisans, and fishermen. Each one has a permanent display of objects that reflect the era, the neighborhood, and the owner's line of work, including kitchenware, furniture, and tools.
Hello. Greetings from toilet.
This is the wood that they use to make those roofs. Quite light. It's made of pine trees though. We've been walking for 4 hours already. We haven't eaten lunch yet. I'm so hungry. And there are blueberries along the way. This is for free, right?
Yes.
This is part of our entrance fee.
Yeah. First 5 liters for free.
I'm so hungry. I want to eat it all.
Go.
That's good. It tastes good. It's sweet. Thank you, Latvia. Having a proper home is very important for Latvians, and that idea also includes having their proper eternal home while they are alive. That's why, by tradition, you might see some coffins stored in their attics. Now inside the fisherman's village. What you see behind me is the place where they store the nets for fishing.